Picture yourself standing on the edge of a vast chasm, the horizon stretching endlessly, and beneath you, a canyon carved deep into the earth. This isn't just scenery. This is a story written in stone. This is the Grand Canyon, one of the greatest natural wonders of the world. But here's the question. How did it come to be? Who was the artist? And how long did it take? Our journey begins almost 2 billion years ago. At the bottom of the canyon lie the oldest rocks, the Vishnu basement rocks. They were born in fire when the earth was young and molten. Back then, there were no plants, no animals, not even continents as we know them today. Only oceans of lava, volcanic eruptions, and the restless surface of a planet still finding its shape. These rocks are Earth's earliest memories, the foundation for everything that would follow. Over the ages, oceans flooded the land, then retreated. Deserts stretched across this place, then vanished. Swamps and shallow seas came and went. Each environment left its mark, layers of rock stacked one upon another. Today, those layers form the colorful walls of the canyon. Every band of color tells a different story. The bright angel shale whispers of ancient seas. The Coconino sandstone speaks of towering desert dunes. The Kaibab limestone, forming the rim we stand on today, tells of a shallow ocean covering this region long ago. The Grand Canyon is like a library of Earth's history. Each layer is a page recording nearly 2 billion years of change. But the canyon itself, the deep gash we see today, is much younger. Around 5 to 6 million years ago, a new sculptor arrived, the Colorado River. With endless patience, it began cutting down through the rock. Inch by inch, century after century, the river carved deeper. Rain, wind, freezing ice, and scorching heat helped with the work, wearing away the stone. Imagine a river acting like a blade, slicing through rock for millions of years. That's how the Grand Canyon came to life. But water alone wasn't enough. The land itself helped. The Colorado Plateau was lifted high by tectonic forces, giving the river more speed and power to cut downward. Then came the ice ages. As glaciers melted, massive flood poured into the river, supercharging its strength. The Colorado River was no gentle stream back then. It was a raging force of nature, tearing through rock and carving the masterpiece we see today. Today, when you stand at the rim of the Grand Canyon, you're not just looking at a landscape. You're looking at Earth's autobiography. Every cliff, every curve, every shade of red and gold tells a story of oceans and deserts, of colliding continents, of rivers that never stopped flowing, and of time itself moving silently across billions of years. And yet, the story isn't finished. The Colorado River is still carving. Every rainstorm, every flood, every drop of water adds a tiny new chapter. The Grand Canyon is a reminder that our planet is both ancient and alive, always changing. It teaches us something profound. The greatest masterpieces aren't created in a moment of force, but through patience, persistence, and time. Subscribe to my channel Futurematic to see more videos like this.